If your Mailchimp emails are landing in the junk folder, the first thing you want to do is improve your sender trust and your list quality. In this video, I'll show you two important steps that can help your campaigns reach the inbox more reliably: verifying your domain and switching to double opt-in. These are simple changes, but they can make a huge difference in deliverability. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get into it. First, let's verify your sending domain in Mailchimp. Open your web browser and go to Mailchimp, then sign in with your account credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the upper right corner and click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Profile. On the profile page, find and click Domains. This is where Mailchimp lets you manage the email addresses and domains you use for sending campaigns. Now click Add and Verify Domain. Enter the email address or domain you want to use for Mailchimp sending. This is an important step because verified domains help prove to email providers that your messages are coming from a legitimate source. After entering your details, click Send Verification Email. Mailchimp will send a verification message to that address, and you'll need to complete the confirmation process. Once the domain or email is verified, your sending reputation is stronger, and that can help reduce the chances of your emails going straight to junk. Next, let's switch your audience to double opt-in. Double opt-in helps make sure that only genuinely interested subscribers join your list, which improves engagement and can also improve inbox placement over time. From the Mailchimp dashboard, go to Audience. Then click the three dots next to your audience options and choose Audience Settings. Inside Audience Settings, scroll down until you reach Form Settings. Here you'll see the Email Opt-in Settings section. Click the Edit button next to it. Now select Double Opt-in. This means that when someone signs up, they'll receive a confirmation email and must verify their subscription before being added to your list. That extra confirmation step helps filter out fake signups, mistyped emails, and unengaged contacts. After selecting Double Opt-in, click Save Opt-in Setting to apply the change. And that's it. By verifying your domain and turning on double opt-in, you're taking two of the best practical steps to help keep Mailchimp out of the junk folder. Remember, deliverability is all about trust, clean list management, and sending to people who actually want to hear from you. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.